This is just a quick update video for those of you that were wondering how my universal roof rack is holding up after 3 months of use. As you can see here, we just got back from a show we were vending at and the car is packed. Fortunately, the rear strut bar is easy to remove to make room, and the C-pillar brace here is excellent for keeping stacked objects from sliding forward. As for the roof rack itself, this is the typical weekend load. We only have 1 of 2 tables on here tonight. You can see our 4 grid walls as well as a small folding hand truck on top. We really need a larger one though. Fortunately, I haven't had any issues with the roof rack coming loose at all, but I have made some minor changes since the original review video. I took the rubber pads that came with the roof rack and stuck it under here. You can see it sticks out a little past the clamp. Then I secured it with some electrical tape so it wouldn't come off. The reason for this is the rubber I used originally didn't hold up to the roof rack being removed and replaced so many times, and the clamp eventually cut through it. At this point, I've just left it attached for several weeks now without needing to retighten anything. Now it's time to unload everything. Thanks for watching.